Picture yourself standing on Europa, one of Jupiter's most mysterious moons. The frozen surface, cracked by ancient forces, spreads endlessly before you, while the gas giant Jupiter looms in the sky, its immense swirling clouds casting shadows over the landscape. But beneath your feet, hidden by miles of ice, is an ocean so vast and alien that it could change our understanding of life in the universe. Could this icy world become humanity's next home? What would it take to not just visit but to thrive on these distant moons? Jupiter's moons, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, have captured the imagination of scientists for decades. These celestial bodies are not just points of light in the sky. They hold the potential to reshape the future of human exploration. Europa's subsurface ocean could be one of the most promising locations to find life beyond Earth. Beneath its icy crust, there may be entire ecosystems, powered by the heat from Europa's core. Imagine what we could discover living beneath these frozen seas. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, offers another possibility. With its own magnetic field, it provides some protection from radiation, a crucial factor for human survival. Its geological features, a mix of mountains, valleys, and ancient craters, make it a fascinating place to study the history of the solar system. And Callisto, scarred and ancient, serves as a time capsule. This moon, relatively stable and farther from Jupiter's radiation, could be a prime location for establishing long-term human outposts, perhaps even a launch pad for missions deeper into space. Could these moons, so different from Earth, one day become our homes? The potential rewards of colonizing Jupiter's moons are immense, but so are the risks. The environment on these moons is unforgiving. Europa's surface reaches temperatures as low as -260 degrees Fahrenheit, and deadly radiation bombards the moons, making unprotected life impossible. On Europa, colonists would need to live deep beneath the ice, shielded from radiation and the freezing temperatures. Imagine constructing vast cities under the surface, where the ice acts as a natural barrier against the harsh conditions above. On Ganymede, the magnetic field provides some protection, but surface colonies would still face extreme challenges. Structures would need to be built to withstand the geological activity and ensure the safety of human life. And on Callisto, the ancient surface offers relative stability, but the isolation and the challenges of building a self-sustaining colony remain. Every aspect of life here would be a calculated risk, and failure would mean catastrophe. Could humanity overcome these challenges, or would the risks be too great? Now, picture a thriving human colony on Europa, buried beneath the ice. The cities here would be unlike anything on Earth, with self-contained ecosystems that recycle air, water, and food. Greenhouses would produce crops using hydroponics, while robotic systems maintain the infrastructure, allowing scientists and engineers to focus on exploration. Colonists would live in domed habitats, surrounded by lush vegetation, but they would always be aware of the frozen wasteland outside. Every day would bring new discoveries. Robotic submarines would dive deep into Europa's ocean, mapping the alien seas and searching for signs of life. Could we find microbial life thriving in the darkness beneath the ice? Imagine the moment we discover life in Europa's ocean, a life form so different from anything on Earth that it challenges everything we know about biology. What would that mean for humanity? How would we react to the knowledge that we are not alone in the universe? But life in this colony would be difficult. The psychological toll of living so far from Earth, isolated and dependent on technology for survival, would weigh heavily on the colonists. Could humanity adapt to such an alien environment, or would the isolation prove too much? While Europa may offer the promise of discovering life, Ganymede and Callisto hold other possibilities. On Ganymede, with its magnetic field, surface colonies could one day flourish. Imagine towering cities, built to withstand the moon's geological forces, where colonists study the planet's complex surface and its potential resources. On Callisto, the ancient cratered landscape provides a more stable environment. Here, humanity could establish mining operations, extracting valuable resources from the moon's surface. These resources could be the key to future space exploration, allowing us to push further into the outer solar system. But life on these moons would be no less challenging. Colonists would need to adapt to the harsh conditions, living underground or in highly protected habitats. The isolation would be extreme, and communication with Earth would be delayed by hours. Could we create thriving civilizations in such distant places? To make life on Jupiter's moons a reality, we would need to revolutionize our technology. Advanced spacecraft would be required to make the months-long journey from Earth, equipped with powerful propulsion systems and life support technology capable of sustaining human life in deep space. Once on these moons, AI-driven robots would construct the habitats and maintain the infrastructure. These robots would work tirelessly, handling tasks too dangerous for humans, from mining operations to maintaining life support systems. Every structure would need to be radiation-proof, capable of withstanding extreme cold and geological forces. The materials used to build these habitats would need to be lighter and stronger than anything we currently possess. New alloys and nanomaterials would allow for the construction of cities capable of surviving the harshest conditions. But this technology wouldn't just help us survive. It would push the boundaries of what's possible for humanity. The lessons we learn on Jupiter's moons could one day help us colonize other worlds, even beyond our solar system. Life on these moons would be an extraordinary challenge. Colonists would live in enclosed habitats with every resource carefully managed. Hydroponic farms would grow food, recycling air and water to sustain life. Outside the habitats, astronauts and robots would explore the moon's surfaces, conducting research and searching for resources. But the isolation, the distance from Earth, would be overwhelming. Communication delays would make real-time conversations with loved ones impossible. Colonists would rely on virtual reality to maintain their mental health, simulating environments from Earth to ease the psychological burden. Could humanity truly adapt to such an alien existence? Or would the psychological toll prove too great? Could we build a new life on these distant worlds, so far from the comfort and familiarity of Earth? Colonizing Jupiter's moons might seem like science fiction, but with the rapid advancements in technology, it could soon become a reality. Imagine a future where humanity thrives beneath the ice of Europa, explores the surface of Ganymede, or builds entire cities on Callisto. These moons represent the next great frontier for human exploration. But could we truly thrive in such an alien environment? Or are we destined to remain tied to Earth? The answers lie in the future, but one thing is certain: the universe is waiting for us to explore it. What do you think? Could humanity colonize the moons of Jupiter? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Cosmic Frontier for more incredible journeys into the unknown.